In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Adobe Photoshop to the latest version. So there's two ways to do this. The first is by heading over to the Adobe Photoshop application, clicking on Help in the top navigation and selecting Updates. Now, the method I like to use instead is by heading over to your Start menu and just searching for Adobe Creative Cloud. And once you're on the Adobe Creative Cloud app, you can right-click on the Photoshop application and click on View Updates. And right at the top here, you'll see all of the latest versions for the Photoshop application. So in order to update this, just go ahead and click on the update button. So it seems like for me, there's two updates that have been found. So I'm just going to press update on both of these. Now, in order to ensure that you're always running the latest version, what I would recommend doing is clicking on enable auto updates and just make sure auto update is enabled like this and make sure Photoshop is turned on. And then we can click on done. And that way, whenever there is a new update, it's going to go and automatically update that for you. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.